Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. So let's get started the video. Open Google Maps, then set the destination and from this option select driving. Click on these three dots and then click Options. From the list, you will find Avoid Tolls option. Just simply toggle the switch to on. It will automatically save it and find your route. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solutions.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.